Skyrocket your Walmart sales with this new rich media feature. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So first, I'm going to show you what A+ content on Amazon looks like. You probably already know, but as you can see, it has like nice, pretty photos, a video, right? Pretty awesome. It does help increase sales and credibility. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like on Walmart. So on Walmart, you scroll down on a listing, and then it's going to say product details, and then it's going to say about the brand, and this is it. This is their A+ content. Very similar to Amazon's. Doesn't look as nice, but it still does a good job. Look, you got the crisp for any occasion, and this is it. I'm sure they can add videos as well, but they haven't. But this is Walmart's version, and I'm going to be showing you how to create it in today's video. Now, it is not called A+ content for Walmart. They call it below the fold content, or BTF content. That's seriously what they call it, but let's dive in. Now I'm gonna give you a short answer on how to enable this. So the short answer is, number one, you need to be a registered brand on Walmart. And number two, you go to Optiwise.ai and then you can enable it right here. That's the short answer. The long answer, I'm gonna be showing you step by step. And step one is to actually go to Walmart. So go to Walmart, and then you're gonna go and log in to seller.walmart.com. Next, you're gonna go to Media Library, and you're gonna make sure you have access to this. If you don't have access, that means you're not a registered brand. So the first thing you wanna do is to become a registered brand. After that, Walmart has a little guide right here, and they show you what you have access to. Now, since you're a registered brand, you automatically have access to have videos on your listing and 360 spin on your listing. So pretty much like a 3D image, so they can spin it around. But to get below the fold content, you need to use a third-party application. Walmart doesn't actually offer that themselves right now. I don't exactly know why. They must have a partnership where they're making extra money. But you can see right here below the fold content, and you can see how to enable it. So below the fold, you can contact any of these companies to gain access to this. And that's pretty much why I mentioned Optiwise.ai, because Optiwise.ai is right here, Optiwise, and they are free for your first five products that have it. So you can see free, up to 5 products, enhanced brand content, 10-page views, no time limit. There you go. So they have pretty much, you can see, and then all the growth here, which is pretty awesome. $0 a month, can't beat that. $149, way too expensive in my opinion, but I think that over time Walmart will take this over and it'll be free for registered brands. But try it out right here. Walmart did also send me an email. If we go right here, you can see that Walmart sent me an email in December and literally said to get started and use Optiwise.ai. So Walmart's promoting it. This is the only way to get below the fold content right now, is to utilize Optiwise.ai, which is free. And in their guide, they do have other ones that I haven't checked out, but Optiwise seems to be one of the best, again, since it is free. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on what your thoughts are regarding Walmart below the fold content, also called BTF. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's gonna help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us, or you could schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend more time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.